Welcome to Munchkin Storytime. The title of this story is
Gideon. This is Gideon. Gideon is a small, ruddy gosling who likes to play all day. Gideon marches to the piggery. He plays chase-the-piglet. Gideon dashes to the henhouse. He plays find the eggs. Gideon, time for your nap, his mother calls. No nap, I'm playing. Gideon hops to the field. He plays tag the mole. Gideon chases butterflies in the meadow. He sneaks behind a beetle on a rock. Gideon, time for your nap, his mother calls. No nap, I'm playing. Gideon scurries to the pond. He splashes with the ducklings. Gideon scoots to the beehives. He listens to the bees buzzing inside the hive. Gideon, time for your nap, his mother calls. No nap, I'm playing. Gideon scampers to the sheep house. He bounces on the back of the ewe. Gideon leaps over a green frog. He plays quietly with a small turtle. Gideon wanders to the field. He scrambles to the top of the haystack. Gideon, time for your nap, his mother calls. Gideon doesn't answer. Gideon is a small, ruddy gosling who likes to play almost all day. Shh. The end.